is you in here doing, Montez?
Trying to clean the stove.
Nuh-uh. Watch out. You don't know what you doing. I got this new pressurized steam cleaner, and you gonna want one of these right here. Look at this nasty-ass oven. All them stubborn stains you thought you couldn't get rid of? My steamer did the job. No harsh chemicals, and a bitch ain't gotta get on her hands and knees to scrub this motherfucker. Look at that. You mean to tell me this whole time all I needed was some hot water? So y'all remember the before, right? Look at this bitch now, spick and span. Shit, after that I said, let me see what else I could clean. You could tell we had a cookout. Look at all that chicken grease. The steamer got me feeling like Rihanna, shining bright like a diamond. Yeah, give me my Grammy, ho. And my props, cause I done put you onto a new cleaning hack. Especially if you do spring cleaning. This gonna get into all them spots you never thought of, boo. I done used it on the oven, the stove, and my baseboard. It come with all these nozzles and pieces. Clean your cabinet. Get your grout lines with that dirty tile. Your window. Your furniture.
Oh, I'm zooming in the dirt. Zooming in the dirt.
Look, if you don't do nothing else, bitch, you better hit that